This is Shanghai City's aerial view. A city where steel meets sky and ambition has no ceiling. Each tower a monument, each reflection a memory of what was and a vision of what could be. Here, the skyline is not just a line, it's a statement, a vertical symphony of power, progress, and precision. From above, it all seems still, but beneath these giants, millions move in sync, a living pulse under concrete veins. Shanghai doesn't sleep, it evolves, it dares, it reaches higher. This is not just a city, it's a dream built skyward.